In this video, I buy a 7-year-old RC airplane. Will it fly ever again? Stay tuned to find out. Hello everybody, my name is AcePilot109, also known as Captain John, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I make a very financially responsible decision to buy a 7-year-old RC airplane off of Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you know Facebook Marketplace, you know how strange things can get there. But I saw this airplane pop up, and I just had to have it. Now, if you've been seeing some of my other videos, you know that I'm a pretty advanced pilot. Not the best, but I'm pretty good, okay? I'm okay at flying. So why would I ever want to go and buy a trainer? Ever since I started being interested in RC has always been a dream airplane of mine. Ever since I saw it on the flight test video with Josh, like both Joshes, Josh Scott. We miss you, Josh Scott. Come back. Anyways, I saw that video when I was a wee lad, and I had always wanted an Apprentice, but the size and the price had always scared me until I saw this one pop up. The nice fellow I bought it from, whose name was Andy, he had only flown it a handful of times, and I believe it because the airplane is in remarkably good shape. The tail has the most damage. It's just a little bent from storage, but there are some small scuffs on the wings, but nothing like hard wear and tear. This airplane was in mint condition for it being 7 years old. So the first thing I do is take some first looks at it and try to get it running, and I also reprogram it to run on my controller. Here's this battery. I'm not sure when he got this one, but it is definitely newer DX6E. This did work. We tested it before we bought it, but preferably, I'm flying it on DX6E. This is my controller. I might be able to sell this or even use it as a buddy boxer to help teach people how to fly. Now, as I mentioned, this airplane is around 7 years old, and he got it in the ready to fly configuration. So this is actually the original battery, I believe, the other battery. So I'm going to be experimenting with this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually try to bind my controller to it. So most binding procedures on these Horizon Hobby planes are all pretty much the same. Simply put in the bind plug. Now what's cool about the Apprentice is the battery hatch is actually on the bottom. As you can see right there, the battery goes in there and it's cradled and strapped down, so pretty secure. It keeps the center of gravity pretty low on the airplane. Once again, it's a trainer, so it's a great idea. As you can see there, my bind plug is this one with the little zip tie on it and the bind port. Flip the switch to on, and now the receiver is blinking, which means it's actually in bind mode. So what we do now is we go to the controller, go to bind. So just bound the airplane up to the controller, made a new model for it. First thing I'm going to do is set up a throttle cut. Now actually what I just did is went into the manual to see how to attach the wings, because this wing is actually attached via rubber bands, and they have a specific way they want you to attach it so the wing doesn't fall off. First things first, I'm going to plug in the cord, the wing on. Then I've got this pack of rubber bands. Looks like they're from 2015. There we go. The rubber bands are on, the wing is attached. Well, now that the airplane is in operating condition, let's see if the airplane will actually fly.
That is cutting it close.
So I roll up to the flying site, unpack the airplane, prep it for flight, get all the cameras rolling, and just go for it. Well, for a 7-year-old airplane from Facebook Marketplace, I gotta say, that was not too bad of a flight. And well, that's where we are today. I've been flying the Apprentice for about 2 weeks because this video has taken me absolutely forever to get to, and I apologize for the wait, but I'm only trying to make bigger and better projects. I'm also learning a new editing software, which is why this video may be a lot higher quality, at least I hope. So if you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the Apprentice, or just want to leave a cool comment, go ahead and do so, and I'll do my best to respond. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.